Buon après-midi, madame.
Buon après-midi. Comment ça va? Comment ça va?
Madame, ça va bien, merci.
Très bien. Children, what did we do last week? Okay, what did we do last week, children?
Ma'am, we have done the exercises.
Have we done all the exercises of chapter 10? Are we talking about chapter 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are done. We are done. Even we are done with the colors. Oh, sorry, the questions given on page number 102.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes,
calculator
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
leaves the français. Okay, we are going to discuss these question answers first of all. One by one, you're going to read out these questions. Jivyansh Arora, let's start with you.
Okay, ma'am. De quelle couleur est le livre de français?
Yes, tell. What is the answer of this question?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay, wait. Jivyansh, don't you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what is the meaning of the question? Tell that.
What is the color of the book of France?
Of French book.
Ma'am, book of French.
Yes, book of French or the French book. Okay, Sarthak, what is the answer?
Ma'am, section. Ma'am, le livre français est blanc.
Very nice. Le livre de français est blanc. What is the color of the book, Jivyansh? Isn't it white? So why
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you not able to frame such a simple sentence, beta? Okay, then next. The next one. Who is going to read? Taranjot.
Ma'am, I have just joined. Can you please tell me the page number we are doing?
We are doing question answers given on page number 102. Children,
Okay,
by
ma'am.
the way, why are you not opening your cameras today?
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am, at
read the
my
next
place.
question?
Ma'am, at my place there is no electricity, ma'am. That is why.
Okay. What about others? What all excuses are you ready with? Let me hear some good excuse today.
Ma'am, I had
And
opened
I'll
in the
decide
last
who gave the best one.
class and I am unable to open now.
Huh?
Ma'am, I had opened in the last class, but I am unable to open in today's class.
Okay, very good. Very
Ma'am?
nice, Jivyansh. Yes, Mihika.
Ma'am, I joined late. Ma'am, can you please repeat what we have to do?
We are doing question answers given on page number 102. We are discussing those question answers.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, everybody, please open your cameras. All right, now coming on to the next question. De quelle couleur est le drapeau français? What does the
Ma'am, may
question
I
mean?
answer?
Yes,
Ma'am,
answer.
may I tell?
Ma'am, what is the color of the French flag?
What is the color of the French flag? Okay, Anshika, you're going to tell the answer.
Le drapeau français est rouge, blanc et bleu.
Okay. See, once again, le drapeau français est. It's not S, it's A. EST is called A. Rouge, blanc. Not blanche, Blanche makes it feminine beta. But flag is masculine gender, so we are going to use blanc for it. Rouge, blanc, et bleu. Blue color is called what? Bleu.
Bleu.
Yes. Okay. Everybody is clear with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please repeat the answer again?
Le drapeau français. Le drapeau français est, which means the French flag is rouge, blanc, et bleu. Red, white,
ma'am.
and blue. Rather, we should speak bleu, blanc, et rouge because we have colors in this sequence, right? Bleu, blanc, et rouge. This is how we speak. Like how we speak for Indian flag, orange, blanc, et vert. We always speak the colors in the sequence they are given. Then, who is going to read out the next question?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Vishesh. Okay,
Ma'am, may
Vishesh,
I?
read.
The coulier et le drapeau de votre pays. Ma'am, may I translate also?
Yes, translate.
What is the color of your flag of your country?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Ma'am, answer also?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, answer.
Okay, ma'am. Le drapeau de notre pays est orange, blanc et vert.
Very good. Very nice. The flag of our country. What is the color of the flag of your country? So the answer goes, the color of the flag of our country is, or you can also say instead of our, you can also write mon pays. Okay, the color of the flag of my country is orange, blanc et vert. Everybody is clear with the answer, or you want me to type in the chat box, children?
Ma'am, clear.
Ma'am, clear.
Sure. Each one of you, if anyone wants me to type, I can type better. Okay, coming on to the next question. Yashika, are you there? Yashika seems to be missing. Aradhe, what about you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yes. What is the next
Ma'am.
question?
Ma'am, the fourth one.
Yes.
Ma'am, the fourth one. We have to read. De quelle couleur est le drapeau canadien? And what is the color of the Canadian flag?
All right.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I answer?
May I answer?
Any one of you can answer.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay, Divyansh, answer.
Le drapeau canadien est rouge and blanche. Et blanche.
How will you spell blanche
No,
here?
ma'am, blanc. Ma'am, blanc.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
BLA.
blanc.
Blanc. Le drapeau canadien est rouge et blanc.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, Yashika. It's fine. Now, the next one. Can you unjumble these colors? Have you done this exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the sixth color given? Akshita Dev will tell. Which is the sixth color?
Ma'am, rouge.
Very nice. Which is the third color? Aradhya Chhabra.
Ma'am, it is ma'am NOIR. Noah.
Third, beta, third color. Number
Ma'am,
3.
Ma'am, may I?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, blanc. Ma'am,
Blanc.
BLANC.
Very good. Okay. Saksham Sharma. Which is the eighth color?
Ma'am, jaune.
Jaune. Okay. Which is the fourth color? Taranjot.
Ma'am, rose.
All right.
Rose.
Mihika Singh, which is the second one?
Ma'am, bleu.
Seventh one, Utkarsh Gangwar. Which is the seventh color?
Ma'am, may
Utkarsh?
I?
Ma'am, may
Ma'am, may
I?
I?
Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay,
Ma'am, may I?
Vishesh hasn't got his turn. Vishesh,
Ma'am, word.
which
Ma'am,
one are you
seventh one
telling?
is word. Ma'am, seventh.
Where? Okay. And who will tell the fifth color? All right, Utkarsh, even your
May I?
mic is not
May I?
working.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
may
am
I?
left.
Okay, Anshika
Ma'am, may
Yadav
I?
is also left. Anshika, what is the fifth color?
Ma'am, Noor.
Noir.
Noor.
Which color is noir?
Ma'am, black.
Black. Very good. Now, children, see. These exams, your UT3 is going to be a little subjective type, and I'm this thing. I hope you are supposed to give these exams in school, right? These will be offline exams. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this time your question paper will not be like your previous exams. This time I have included long sentences in your question paper. So you
Ma'am,
have
long
to,
sentences mean
yes,
paragraphs.
long sentences from the chapters only. Don't worry. They won't be very difficult. It is from the chapter, but you have to prepare these two chapters by heart. It will be from between only. Now, suppose if I tell you to frame a sentence, yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, from these two chapters, these will only come, or like you said, qualities about any person. Ma'am, if we have to write
Beta,
kind,
all
then we have to write.
these two chapters will be completely covered in the question paper, whether it is from après nom or it is from the exercises or it is from in between the chapter. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
nothing will be there from outside, but anything will be asked from in between these two chapters. Now, suppose I tell you to frame a sentence. Let me say the sentence is, Neha goes with her family to the club. Now, only I have changed the name, but the sentence has been picked up from these two chapters only. So try to frame this sentence. Neha goes with her family to the club. Or Neha and her family go to the club. Type it in the chat box. Now this time you will be away from translator. Don't you think so? In the previous exams, these sentences have been simple for you to translate because you had the whole world in your hand. Okay, very well tried, Jivyansh. Neha and her family to the club. You have missed the verb go to the club. Where is the verb go?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I forgot to type that.
Okay, so type it.
Ma'am, what would be the translation of her family?
Her family. Now, come to page number 86. Opened?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have said.
Very nice, Saksham. Good. Good, Jivyansh. Now, why Ala Club? Club is a masculine place. So, we write O before it. Is that fine? Then the next one is, see, okay, Vishesh, I was telling you on page number 86, Isabel a sa fami. What is the verb sa here mean?
Ma'am, it may be her.
What is the verb sa? Sa means her. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now just a minute.
Ma'am, what is it?
Yes. What did you say? I didn't hear, beta. Say it once again.
Ma'am, what is his?
His. Okay, now listen. Here also, everybody look up in the chat box. See, like we have mom, ma, and me in French. You know the difference between ma, ma, and me, right? Ma comes for masculine things. Children, just a minute. I'm muting myself for a reason. Okay, like we have ma, ma, me. Now we use ma before what? Masculine things like ma, mere. Then we use ma for feminine things, ma, mere, and mes parents. You all are thorough with this concept, right? Now, if I want to say her father will be son père. If I want to say her mother or his mother, it will be sa mère. And if I want to say their parents, it becomes ses parents. So son comes for his and her both, but it depends on the gender of the noun we are using. Did you get this point or not?
Yes, ma'am.
If I want to say her mother, I will say sa mère. If I want to say his mother, even then I will say sa mère. Like Jivyansh and his mother. My sentence is what? What is my sentence? Jivyansh.
Jivyansh and his mother.
Okay.
Jivyansh and his mother.
Jivyansh and his mother. So what will it be? Tell me. Jivyansh a sa mer. If my sentence is Shriya and her mother, what will my sentence be? Shriya a sa mer. So for his and her, we use sa. But sa and sa depends upon the gender of the noun we are talking about. Do you get that?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
देखो, simple सा concept है. If a boy is going to say my mother, what is he going to say? Ma mer. If a girl is going to say my mother, she will also say ma mer. So ma किस पे depend कर रहा है? माँ आप पे depend नहीं कर रहा. Ma is depending on your mother. Fine. Whether a boy says my mother, ma use हो रहा है. Whether a girl says my mer, ma ही use होएगा. Similarly,
Ma'am, on the third person.
Yes, it depends on the gender of the thing you're talking about. आपके noun का क्या gender है, ये माँ और मॉ उस पे depend करता है, not on your gender. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
जैसे हिंदी में if a boy wants to say मेरी मम्मी, तो girl भी तो मेरी मम्मी कहेंगी. And if suppose we want to say उसके पापा, तो उसके क्यों लगाया हमने? उसके हमने पापा पे डिपेंड करके लगाया ना. हमने इसलिए तो नहीं लगाया कि अंशिका या जिव्यांश पे डिपेंड कर रहा था ये उसके हमने किसके लिए यूज किया? पापा के लिए यूज किया ना. वी विल नॉट से उसकी पापा, राइट? अगर हम गर्ल के पापा की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम उसकी पापा थोड़ी कहेंगे. वी विल से उसके पापा. एंड सिमिलरली इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समबडीज मदर, व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू से? उसकी मदर, उसकी मम्मी. Isn't it, whether it is a girl's mother or a boy's mother? Now is it clear, children? Why so silent? Is it
Yes,
something?
ma'am.
Is it something very difficult
ma'am.
here? Is it difficult?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Good. Okay, let's come on to the next sentence. Just translate this one in the chat box. God, just a second. Your next sentence is the color of the French flag and the Indian flag have different colors. Type it in the chat box.
Ma'am, please repeat.
The French flag and Indian flag have different colors.
Ma'am, how will we use different here?
What is
Ma'am,
different
what?
in French? What is different in French? Different is différent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what we say have in French?
Now, Anshika, what are you asking? What is to have verb? Huh?
Ma'am, on.
Yes,
Ma'am,
on.
please.
Very nice, Divyansh. Okay, so the translation goes like le drapeau français et le drapeau indien ont des couleurs différentes. Good. Okay, the next sentence is today is the national festival of my country. Today is the national festival of my country.
Ma'am, please repeat the sentence once again.
Today is the national festival of my country. Very
Ma'am,
good,
country is
Mehika.
Spain.
Yes, pay. Very good, Mehika. Very good, Akshita. Good, Aradhe. The correct pronunciation goes Aujourd'hui, c'est la fête nationale de mon pays.
Ma'am, my was correct.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
completed a
Aujourd'hui, c'est la fête nationale de mon pays. One of you wrote, c'est aujourd'hui la fête. It is today the national festival. The formation is little wrong. The correct one is today is the national festival, or today it is the national festival of my country. So the sentence should start with aujourd'hui. Then the next sentence, the Indian national festival is in the month of January.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, please repeat.
The Indian national festival is in the month of January. Yes, Vishesh.
Ma'am, if there would be a sentence, today is the national festival of my country, India. Ma'am, so in the sentence after pay, we will add in there. Ma'am, just
Yes. But you know what? Countries take articles before them, definite articles. So we will write L apostrophe INTE. Okay? Whenever
okay, ma'am.
we put a country name, we always use definite article before it.
Ma'am, please repeat the sentence.
The Indian National Festival is in the month of January.
Ma'am, I have not put the accent because I am doing from laptop.
Okay, beta, no problem. Love Festival National. बेटा सबसे पहले तो फेस्टिवल क्यों आया जब हमने पढ़ा ही चैप्टर में फेथ है तो दैट मीन्स यू पीपल आर गोइंग इन सम अदर डायरेक्शन राइट कहीं और की हेल्प है ये
Ma'am, is my correct?
yes Saksham you're asking that wait say Indian it is the Indian no beta it is not correct all of you using this word festival have first of all taken the help of Google.
Ma'am, my is correct.
La fête nationale indienne est au mois de janvier. Awesome. Mehika, perfect.
Ma'am, is my sentence correct?
Jivyansh, let me see. La festival. No, it is not correct.
No, ma'am,
The
second one.
second part. La fête nationale indienne est au mois de janvier. Yes. Everybody, please make your translation correct. Children, you have not made the correction. What is the national festival that we have studied in chapter 10? La Fête Nationale. What is it? La Fête Nationale. Everybody do this correction. All right. Ready for the next sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next sentence goes, the Pakistani flag is green and white. The Pakistani flag is green and white. This one is very simple. You shouldn't take so long to send this answer. Very good, Akshita. Very good, Jivyansh. Saksham, there is a problem. There is something wrong in your sentence. Just look out for your mistake. Very good, Mihika. Saksham, could you catch your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next sentence comes. Very good. Now it's fine. Le drapeau pakistanais est vert et blanc. The next sentence that goes is, we have 2 months of vacations. We have 2 months of vacations.
Ma'am, is my correct?
Very nice. Good, Saksham. Beta, spellings of month is not correct. It's MOIS. Month is what? MOIS. Very good, Jivyansh. Very good, Akshita. Very good, Mihika. Nous avons 2 mois de vacances. Good. Okay. The next sentence that goes is, they love vacations. They love vacations.
Ma'am, is my correct?
No, it is not correct, Saksham. Your conjugation of the verb is not correct. What did I say? First of all, your subject pronoun is not correct. I said they love vacations. So for they, what are you going to use? Very good, Taranjot. Yours is correct. Jivyansh, wrong, beta. Saksham, wrong. What do we use for they? We use IL.
Ma'am, now
Yes, now it's correct. And you should, before vacations, you should use definite article.
Ma'am, now is my correct?
Yes, perfect. So how do you read out this sentence? Ils aiment les vacances. Ils aiment. Ils aiment les vacances. Very good. They love vacations. Now, the next one is tomorrow is the last day of the week. Tomorrow is the last day of the week. Okay. All right, children. The correct one goes like Demain, c'est le dernier jour de la semaine. What will it be? Demain,
what please?
demain, c'est le dernier jour de la semaine. Not the semaine, de la semaine of the week. Tomorrow is the last day of the week. So, demain, c'est le dernier jour de la semaine. Yes, very good, Aradhe. Very good, Yashika. Tomorrow, it is the last day of the week. So here, children, we end the class. That's all for today.
Thank you, ma'am.